Right here, my Gumroad account. 3 months, simple PDF products, built with Claude AI. And if I had to delete everything and restart from zero, these are the exact 4 steps I'd follow. We're gonna do them together right now. And at the end, I'll show you exactly how much money this made. We are not building a random product and hoping someone buys it. First, I'll find a digital product that's already generating sales, using a research method most people have never heard of. Then, we rebuild it our way with AI. And trust me, you're not ready for what happens when I connect Claude to the tool I'm about to show you. After that, we publish on Gumroad, run a proven ad structure, and I'll also give you the free traffic method if you don't want to spend $1. No more wasting time. Let's go. Step 1. Find a product that's already working. I'm not going to tell you to follow your passion or sell what you know. That's what 90% of gurus say, and that's how you spend weeks building something nobody wants. We need proof, real proof, and the best place to find it is the Facebook ads library, where you can see every single ad running on the platform right now, completely free. Search Facebook ads library on Google, it'll come up first. Select a Tier 1 country like Germany or the US, then search keywords like ebook. Now click Filter and select ads that have been active for more than 5 days. Here's why that matters. Testing takes 3 days, so if an ad is still running past that, the seller saw results. They're keeping it alive because it's working. Now scroll. You'll find products you'd never think of. I came across an exercise book for cello players, but the niche I kept seeing over and over was weight loss ebooks for women, specifically women over 40. Build a list, 10 products, log the name, the landing page link, and the ad link into a Google Sheet. Once you've got 10, don't try to pick the best one yourself. Upload the list to Claude AI and use the analysis prompt. It breaks down search demand, audience size, buyer psychology, and picks your winner. Ours came back as a 40-page hormone mapping protocol for women over 40. Step 2, and this is where it gets insane. Claude is already one of the best tools for creating structured PDFs, tables, charts, clean layouts. But when you link it to Higgsfield AI, which generates professional images and visuals on command, you've just built a content studio that would cost thousands to hire out. Here's the connection. Go to Higgsfield, click MCP, copy the URL, go to Claude, Customize, Connectors, click the plus, add a custom connector, paste the URL, name it, hit Add, done. You now have a monster. Run prompt 1 first. Paste the competitor's landing page link and a few images from it. Claude will analyze the original product and then generate an upgraded version. New name, unique angle, better positioning. Save those 3 things: the name, the description, the positioning. You'll need them for every prompt after this. Prompt 2 generates the full table of contents. Look at what it builds. You'll understand why I called this a monster. Prompt 3 generates the ebook chapter by chapter. And here's why it doesn't look like a basic PDF. Claude writes everything in HTML first, so it renders like a real designed page, not just text on a document. And Higgsfield automatically generates 2 custom images per chapter. If Claude hits a usage limit, just wait around 4 hours and continue in the same chat. Don't start over. Prompt 4 gives you 3 different book cover designs. Pick your favorites. Prompt 5 merges everything. All chapters, all images, your selected cover into one final download link. 25 minutes, one complete professional ebook. Built once, sold forever. Step 4. Package it and publish on Gumroad. Go to Settings, then Profile, add your brand name and logo. Pick a color theme, link your bank account under Payments, then hit New Product. Run prompt 6 in Claude, upload your cover image, and it connects directly to Higgsfield Marketing Studio and builds you 3 complete video ad creatives: script, visuals, final render, everything. Here's one that came out. Run prompt 8 next. It gives you the exact audience, countries, age range, gender, interests, so you don't burn money on the wrong people. Here's the ad structure that works. 1 campaign, 2 ad sets, 1 with interests, 1 completely broad, 3 to 5 creatives running across both. Minimum $10 a day per ad set. Set a Facebook pixel on Gumroad so it tracks purchases. It takes 2 minutes to set up. Let the test run 3 days, then read the data. Our broad set burned through the budget, 0 sales. The interest-based set had 3 sales, $124 back on $60 spent. One buyer didn't even use the discount code, didn't care about the price at all. Next move, let the full test finish, scale the winning ad set, then run a country-by-country test with 5 ad sets, one country each.